Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive into the world of Excel. We're tackling a shortcut today that might seem small at first,
Yeah.
but trust me, this one's a powerhouse, especially
Yeah.
when you're dealing with tons of formulas.
Oh, yeah.
We found this gem in a piece called Pasted Text,
Oh,
and
yeah.
it's all about how to basically make Excel do the heavy lifting for you.
Absolutely.
So no more endless typing, no more
Right.
copy and pasting until your fingers are numb.
Exactly.
This shortcut, are you ready for it?
I am.
It's Ctrl plus the single quote key,
Oh, that's a good one.
right? Simple, but so powerful.
It is.
What it does is it copies the formula from the cell above.
Okay.
Like imagine you got a whole column of calculations to do. Instead of typing out that formula again and again,
Oh, yeah.
you just hit Ctrl plus and boom, it's there.
It's like a magic wand for formulas, basically.
It really is.
You just kind of point and poof, it
It's-
appears.
And it's especially handy when you've got formulas that have the same structure, you know?
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
But the values are changing in each row.
Like, think about tracking your monthly expenses.
Perfect example.
Right. Your formula is going to be the same each month, but the amounts are going to be different. So you
Exactly.
tweak the values, and Ctrl Plus takes care of the formula part.
Okay, so now I have to ask,
Ah,
because this seems almost too easy, right?
well,
What about cell referencing?
Yeah.
Like, wouldn't you risk messing things up?
that's where things get interesting. You've got to be mindful of those relative and absolute references.
Okay.
It's like knowing the rules of the road.
Right.
You can speed things up, but got to stay safe too.
So you're saying you can't just blindly use this shortcut.
Exactly.
You got to understand how the formulas will change when you copy them.
It's about working smart, not just fast.
I remember when I first learned this trick, I had this massive spreadsheet, hundreds of rows.
Oh, wow.
I was dreading having to copy all those formulas.
Yeah,
Then I found Ctrl Plus, and it was like a whole new world opened up.
I bet. That feeling of, like, discovering a superpower.
Seriously. And, it's not just the time save. It's that feeling of control,
Yeah,
you know?
absolutely.
Like you've mastered this tool, and it's working for you.
Makes you feel like an Excel ninja.
So, to sum it all up, Thrall Plus is your new best friend for working efficiently in Excel.
It's small but mighty.
Right. Simple to use, but it can seriously change your workflow. The more you use it, the more you'll discover how it can be combined with other functions.
Oh, for sure, yeah.
Think about those relative references we talked about,
Mm-hmm.
or even keyboard shortcuts for moving between cells.
So many possibilities. You can really get creative with it.
Exactly. It's all about finding those combinations that streamline your process and make Excel work for you.
And that's what it's all about.
So go out there, experiment with Crawl Plus,
Yeah.
combine it with other tricks, and see what you can achieve.
Unleash your inner Excel wizard.
Have fun with it, and until next time,
Happy spreadsheeting.
happy spreadsheet.